How to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on Android device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also facing such issue where your Wi-Fi is connected but no internet access is being available, so in that case what you might want to do first step is just come back to this Wi-Fi settings by simply long pressing on it and clicking on its details. So now simply click on this settings right next to your Wi-Fi and make sure to forget your Wi-Fi and try just restarting your Wi-Fi router as well and just re-enter your password and see if fixes your issue or not. So if it's still not fixing your issue, so in that case what you might want to do is just come over to your Wi-Fi settings once again just like this and click on its settings, and now just select view more option over here, and under this IP settings just click on static. So once you're inside here and just click on this DNS1 and remove if there's any number before. So first just type in the following, that is 8.8.8.8, and for DNS2 just type in 8.8.4.4. so try saving these settings for your network, and once you do all of that, see if it's fixing or not. So once you do everything and if it's still not fixing, so then there might be problem related to your Wi-Fi router, so you just have to contact your internet service provider for that and your issue should be fixed. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.